Hello friends, welcome to the fifth part of my series on compliance. Today we'll discuss on governance, risk and compliance, GRC in short. The meaning of the word GRC was first published as an academic paper in 2007 by the founder of OCEG, Open Compliance and Ethics Group, Scott L. Mitchell, in the International Journal of Disclosures and Governance. It was a groundbreaking paper that referred to critical capabilities that was necessary to work together to achieve principled performance capabilities that integrate governance management, risk and compliance activities. An entire industry of GRC software and services was born out of this pioneering concept of Scott L. Mitchell. A brief insight as to what exactly is governance, risk and compliance can be better understood in simple terms when we divide the same into smaller components such as 1. Governance, aligning processes that and actions that with the organization's business goals. 2. Risk, identifying and addressing all the organizational risks. And 3. Compliance, ensure that all activities meet regulatory requirements. In the past, most corporates approached the above as separate activities. As a result, there was a lack of visibility, conflicting actions, duplication of functions, unnecessary expenditure, and overall inefficiencies. Integrated approach. An integrated approach towards GRC results in accrual of benefits in a corporate entity, such as reduced cost, reduction in duplication of activities, achieve greater information quality, effective foresight, increase ethics and integrity. An integrated GRC is able to address a wide range of risk management and compliance initiatives. GRC initiatives are coordinated across business areas. Common risk management tools and processes are used wherever applicable, along with enterprise-wide risk monitoring, measurement, reporting and compliance thereof. While optimizing GRC, the focus shifts from managing list of risks and compliance to management of successful achievement of organizational objectives. There is a reasonable level of assurance that decision makers are taking the right level of risk necessary for success and not just to avoid failure. Early warning systems exist to notify board and management both of specific risks. Integrated GRC brings all corporate and legal policies, procedures, and enterprise risk into one place that's easily accessible to all stakeholders. Analyzing GRC. Governance, risk, and compliance refers to a strategy of managing an organization's overall governance, enterprise risk management, and compliance with regulations. Adaptation of GRC as a fundamental business requirement entails three main factors, namely integration, optimization, and information. The overall purpose of GRC is to reduce risk and cost as well as duplication of efforts. It is a strategy that requires company-wide cooperation to achieve results that meet internal guidelines and processes established for each of the three key functions. Governance. The basic level governance is the set of rules, policies, and processes that ensure corporate activities are aligned to support business goal. It encompasses ethics, resource management, accountability, and management controls. Governance also ensures top management can direct and influence what is happening at the level of corporation and that business units are aligned with customer needs and overall corporate goals. Good governance within an organization include elements such as key policies, corporate control, enterprise risk management, regulatory compliance, ethics and integrity, evaluation of business performance, and effective communication. Above all, governance is implemented to provide accountability for conduct and result. Conduct can be managed through enforcement of ethical business practices and corporate citizenship rules. Good governance defines job based on line of business and evaluates employees based on results achieved rather than based on responsibilities. Risk management is a process of identifying, assessing, and controlling financial, legal, strategic, and security risk to an organization. To reduce risk, an organizations need to apply resources to minimize, monitor, and control the impact of negative events while maximizing positive events. GRC enables companies to establish, automate, and manage risk assessment and risk reduction. And data from a GRC platform allows company to make more informed decisions and then allocate resources to mitigate risks. Compliance involves adhering to rules, policies, standards, and law set forth by industries and government agencies. Failing to do so could cost an organization in terms of poor performance, costly mistakes, fines, penalties, and lawsuits. The integrated compliance program should be based on a process of creating, updating, distributing, and tracking compliance policies and training employees in these policies. To create an effective compliance program, organizations need to understand what areas pose the greatest risk and focus resources on these areas. Policies should be developed, implemented, and communicated to employees in order to address those areas of risk. Guidance should be developed to make it easier for employees and vendors to follow compliance policies.